Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can try and solve the ChatGPT is at capacity issue. So obviously, if you've tried logging onto ChatGPT and you're getting a message saying that ChatGPT is actually at capacity and there's too much, traffic on their servers, there is a couple of ways that you can try and solve this. So the first one will be, obviously, once you are on Google Chrome, you can come to the top right hand corner, click on the 3 dots right here, and then you will need to select the settings option. Once you select settings, come to the left hand side, click on privacy and security. Once you select this, you'll see an option for clear browsing data. Click on this and then you will obviously want to just click on clear data, make sure all of this is selected. And you can also go to advanced and check some of these boxes, but that is not necessary. If you just clear the one and click on all time, click on clear data, and what that will basically do is it will basically just refresh your browser. So if that doesn't work, what else you can do is you can try and switch browsers. So you can go from Google Chrome to Brave to Safari to any other browser that is available to use. If that doesn't work, what else you can do is you can try and come back in a couple of hours once the server traffic has died down a little bit, allowing you to obviously access ChatGPT. So if none of those options work, there's one last thing that you can do. So once you are on ChatGPT, if you come to the bottom left hand corner here, click on upgrade to plus. Once you click on upgrade to plus, you will have the option to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. And what this will do is it will give you priority when server demand is high. As you can see, available even when demand is high. So if you pay for a paid subscription and upgrade to the ChatGPT Plus plan, you will be able to access ChatGPT even when the demand for ChatGPT is high. So they are the 4 ways that you can try and solve the problem, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.